Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, there are scattered storms that bubbled up this afternoon. It was a lot of clouds with scattered showers in the morning. Then once we got that sun out, we really bubbled up a few of these storms around. Best coverage has been in our northwestern and northern counties today, and even over here in the far east. Now tonight, we're losing the heating. You know, there's not much mid and upper level wind support for these storms. So they pulse up and boil up, and then they tend to collapse. And this is actually an outflow boundary. We had a lot of storms up here in north central Illinois. Cool air rushed out from those and formed some of these. These are gradually weakening with time. We got a couple other little cells popping here in southern Illinois. So given this information, I think it's good to keep the risk of a shower or two, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder in one of those for the overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning. Be aware of that if you're out and about. Muggy, 72, that's it for the low. And what has been a warm spring and a very warm start to summer. As a matter of fact, we crunch all the numbers now. 2021 is going to go down as the fourth warmest spring overall on record. Other than the freak snow we had in late April with the freezing conditions and then that frost in early May, the rest of the time it's been remarkably warm. So it's been a very extreme spring in that regard. Very, very warm much of the time, and then you get the rug pulled out from underneath you a few times. There you see where 2021 is, and of course the warmest spring on record back to 1879. You guessed it, 2012 second warmest, 1921. And in 21, it was the warmest spring and early summer from our area all the way through eastern Canada back then. The upper low is way down here in Oklahoma. It'll slowly wobble our way. It's not going to move fast because of the hot upper ridge, which is kind of blocking it in. That hot upper ridge brought temperatures to nearly 100 in Maine and Vermont today. 70 to 73 for lows tonight. Tomorrow, 82 to 88. It's going to feel like about 90 to 95, however, and 82 to 88 on Wednesday. Heat indices 90 to 95 once again, and more scattered storms bubbling up in the heating of the day. So if you got to mow, you've got to time it out just right tomorrow. Some scattered storms bubble up, 88. Going to feel like 95, south-southwest winds blowing, and scattered storms bubble up in the heating of midweek as well. This is Wednesday, a couple showers in the morning, and then some scattered storms, 86 for the high. It's going to feel like 94 for midweek. A shower or two tonight, and then we pop a few scattered storms randomly over the area tomorrow with hit or miss rainfall. It's the same song and dance on Wednesday. This is early afternoon, a few storms around. Same thing on Thursday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, still a few storms around, but eventually this big ridge will move eastward. The humidity will come down a little bit and it may cool just a hair early to mid next week, but after that the heat is back on with lots and lots of 90s, and we got to watch that 100 too. 90 Friday, 91 Saturday, Sunday with still a few storms. If there's any severe weather Tuesday through Sunday, it'd be